Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In the biggest indigenous defense deal, on January 13, 2021, the Cabinet Committee on Security approved the induction of 83 light combat aircraft Tejas by Indian Air Force from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited at a cost of around 47,000 crores. This is a news which we already know. In this video, we would be discussing about the AMCA engine programs and how France and UK might be winning this particular deal. Since the long-awaited deal has been confirmed, which is for the 83 Tejas aircrafts, now the next step is to decide on the engine for the upcoming AMCA program. In one of my previous videos, we discussed about the General Electric engines used by Indian Air Force aircrafts and how GE engines are dominating the Indian market. I have provided the video link for this particular video in the top right I button or even in the details section. According to the sources, 40 Tejas Mark 1 and 83 Tejas Mark 1A will be powered by F404G IN20 afterburning engines, and 200 Tejas Mark 2 will be powered with F414G INS6 afterburning engines. Coming to the AMCA program, it has been decided that 40 AMCA Mark 1 will be powered by F414G INS6 afterburning engines till a locally developed afterburning engine is ready for AMCA Mark 2. Even though GE engines are ruling the Indian defense sectors, there are chances for other engine manufacturers to win the remaining engine contracts for the upcoming fighter squadrons. The reason why India might not go for General Electric or Pratt & Whitney engines of United States is due to the hesitation of core technology transfer to India. Both these companies backed out from giving India its intellectual property rights to its core technologies, nor its transfer of core technology happened. If this is the case, India might be going for France or British engine manufacturers, which would be either Safran or Rolls-Royce. French President Emmanuel Macron's diplomatic advisor Emmanuel Bon discussed about the engine partnership during his visit to India recently. The new engine, which would be developed, would be based on the Stegma M88-3 turbofan engine that is used to power the Rafale fighter jets, but nothing is confirmed as of now. As per the defense sources, even the Rolls-Royce Defense has started negotiations on co-developing a new engine that will see a transfer of technology and also the intellectual property rights with India. Rolls-Royce had previously offered its EJ-200 based uprated engine, but the present proposal talks are about developing a new engine variant. Even if India selects Safran or Rolls-Royce, it will take 7 years to develop the new engine, and it is said that AMCA Mark 1 would be used as a test bed to validate the new engines. It is also said that the new engine would be planned with more thrust and power so that it can be used for future AMCA variants as well. There are more demands for engines, and the same needs to be manufactured for all the 3 fighter jet programs in 30 years, but this is still pending on deciding which foreign partner would be helping the development. So all we can do here is just wait and see what steps are taken in this particular deal. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.